Welcome to the 38th episode of Dividend Investing Insights, your one stop for all things dividend investing. Join us as we explore high yield shares, dividend growth strategies, and portfolio management techniques to maximize your investment returns. Subscribe now and take care of your financial future with the power of dividends. In the episode today, we will continue to look at the portfolio that we have built and see as to how it has performed in the last 1 week. However, like always, we will start with a quick recap of the markets. With all the changes that were happening, S&P 500 still managed to go up by 409 points and end at 5,363 points. Nasdaq too went up by a whopping 1,746 points, or 11% higher at 16,724. And here locally in Australia, the markets don't do so well. Over the last 1 week, it fell by 21 points to end at 7,646 points. However, as I've always said, share prices, stock markets will go up and down all the time. However, you as an investor should invest in stocks that have the ability to pay dividends now and increase the dividends in future. You should invest in fundamentally strong companies that have the ability to pay out dividend year on year. Anyway, let's look at the portfolio that we have built first. We had bought KDP 50 at 37.46, JP Morgan Chase 10 at 210.5, AT&T 100 at 21.91, CVS Health 30 at 60.3, and Unilever PLC 33 at 61.32 for a total investment of $10,002. And that is what we had set out with. And let's see as to what the price is as of this recording. As of this recording, KDP is currently trading at 35.16. It has grown over the last 1 week, but that's okay. JP Morgan Chase, it's trading at 236.2. AT&T is trading at 26.79. CVS Health is trading at 69.51. And Unilever PLC is trading at 61.91 for a total portfolio value of 10,927. However, that's not all. Since the time we have started building this portfolio, we have cash of $174.52 in dividends. And in the last week, KDP paid out its dividend at 23 cents per share, which totals to $11.5, which goes into our portfolio to make it a total portfolio value of 11,113.35. Putting it graphically, this is how it looks. We had lost 5% in the last week. We have gained 6% this week. Such fluctuations will keep on happening. However, invest in fundamentally strong companies, dividend paying companies, and your investment would be assured. And that's what is reflected over here. Anyway, as we come towards the end of the episode, let's look at some of the dividends that are coming our way. JP Morgan Chase is paying $1.40 per share on 30th of April. CVS Health is paying out 66.5 cents on 1st of May, and AT&T is also paying 27.75 cents per share on 1st of May. Unilever PLC has still not announced its dividend its quarter. We will track it when it comes up. As we end the episode, putting up the dividend investing checklist again, use it to make your investments, look at companies, use the checklist, and look forward to meeting you in another episode of Dividend Investing Insights.